Okay, so watching this video. There's a car coming. Pause. And pause. Okay, if you're watching this video, you probably wanna learn how to use a pogo stick. You either bought one, found one in your house, and you want to use it. Very, very the second one. And every time you use it, falling over. And you want to know how. So you looked up on YouTube how to use a pogo stick. And this video popped up. You're smart to press on it because you're going to learn a lot. And I've been using the pogo stick for a long time, but just started to get the hang of it. And I just wanted to show other people who are having a hard time. So, right here it says Razor. That's the brand I really recommend. And it's just, in general, it's just a good pogo stick to use. Not like that, but to use. And just good thing in general. But first thing is footing, like I said. So these right here, you will definitely have these. All pogo sticks have them. They're places where you put your feet and you go up high. And your footing, I recommend using the foot, using the middle of your shoe, where your foot is, and putting it right there. Because once you're jumping, you'll either fall, if your foot is too back over here, you'll fall backward. But if your foot is too far over here, you'll fall frontward. And you'll fall frontward. And I do not recommend these shoes at all. I do not recommend these sandals. Horrible for pogo sticking. Good for whatever you want to use them for. So now, not a footing. What you want to look at. So now starting out, these are the shoes I used. You don't have to use shoes. It's just helpful when you look at stuff. These are the shoes I used, and you don't have to use shoes. It's just better if you're looking at something. Like for beginners, it's better when you're looking at something. Help me a lot. See the difference when I'm looking and not looking. This is when I'm not looking at anything. See? And this is when I am looking at something. As you can see, I stay in a more general area than how I was. I was looking everywhere, and my area was like this. And you want to ensure the area. So now, you're gripping and you're footing. Part two. You're footing and you're gripping part two. So when your feet are like this, don't bail out. Please don't bail out. Okay? So when I'm doing it, and then my shoes are off, you can't really see my shoes. You might be able to. See, that happens when I bail out. I bail out sometimes, to be honest. But usually when I don't bail out, my shoes are random. That one's a bad one. You're gonna win some of this stuff. But shoes are off. And then you can reposition them. Here we go. See with your hands. If they come like right here, just put them back right here. Don't bail out and stop when you're doing really good. Because then it just feel bad. Oh, and the plane's making that noise. And my fourth rule. Keep it straight. Like when you're doing this, don't do it like this. Because I didn't want to do that. When I keep it like this, see, I'm using all the rules. Using way better than just doing it. See, I can't even get on when I'm doing that. That's just what you should do. Thanks for watching. I am gonna make some stuff later. Oh, one more thing. Forgot about this. Forget about a lot of stuff. This is what you do. In fact, no more than a beginner watch this video. You want to know how to kind of travel? You want to know kind of travel? So this is what you'll do. So you go on, like usual, and it's kind of like I'm leaning forward. Whew! That was my first time falling. You know, I always fall. But I never fell. I'm lucky. But maybe you're not going to be that lucky. But I'm leaning forward, so going a little bit forward, and leaning backward. Backward is the easiest. As you can see. You can go back without fall. And then, it's not hard for me to go forward though. And then, you want to move side to side. As you can see, moving side to side. Or you can do this. I'm moving forward. I kind of like doing this better. And now, you're the proper footing, forget about that. Proper footing, proper gripping, proper way your pogo stick should be, and what you should actually be doing, all that, and also how to move side to side, up and forward. Forward and backward. Thanks for watching. Make another video soon. Bye.